Happy morning, children. Earlier we have read about fiction and non-fiction. Today in Unit 5 we are going to see non-fiction, that is newspaper reports. Okay, in newspaper we find so many things, weather reports, crosswords. Hope you have all gone through newspapers, yeah? News reports, local, national, international, current events, articles, advertisements, all these things, obituaries, comics, okay, crosswords, all these things, right? So in a newspaper, whatever is given, if it is a news about somebody or something which is given report, that is a report. It is non-fiction. Fiction means something which is imaginary or it is not proved, but non-fiction is real. Okay. Next, we are going to see in this unit how to write a news report, how to present a current event. Current event means something which is happening now. Now if you say about the current event is a cyclones forming, that is a current event. What is the school reopening, regarding that, what is the report given by the chief minister? Okay, how to use verb tenses. Tenses in a separate video I will send you. That is grammar part. Next, purpose of reading. Why you are reading a news report? When you are reading a newspaper, some report will be there. Why you are reading that? That can be, first you have to see what are the different 6 W's in that. Okay. So when you read a report, who was involved? Okay. What happened? When did it happen? Where did it happen? Why did it happen? And how did it happen? So all these 6 W's you should see when you are reading a news report. What is the purpose of reading a news article? News report and news article is different. News article is written on a particular topic or subject, and the main purpose of reading is to get information on a specific topic or subject. On a particular topic or subject, when it is information is given, it is news article. Now here you have to there is a passage in lead that is giving you news report. You have to underline the 6 W's what I told you. Okay, go through this and record your notes in the table they have told. What are the 6 W's? What, when, how, where. Okay. So the first thing is who. Who was involved? After reading that, you will understand this. Who was involved? The school principal was involved. Then who, what, when, where, why, how did it happen? The information you should write, record. Then there is an article given about COVID-19. In the lead video they have explained, and about that they have asked you few questions. So once you go through that, you will be able to write down these answers. This is the article. What is COVID-19? About COVID-19, quick actions, measures. So it's very simple. Once you read the article, you will be able to answer. So easily, how will you read it? That is, first step is previewing. Preview means skimming you say. That is, just by go throughing, just by go throughing that one, you can full report, you can just analyze and get an idea. ஒரு ரிப்போர்ட்டை ஃபுல் பேஜ் படிக்கணும்னு அவசியமே இல்லை. அதை பார்த்த உடனே அதோட ஹெட்லைன்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு நம்ம we can find out the what it is about. Previewing help us understand how information is organized and let us predict what the next might be about. Predict means guessing. What are these features? Text features include all the components of a news report or news article that are not part of the main body of the text. They help us look for information in the Text easily. Text la, when you read an article, there are some features. Let us see. These are the text features. That is subheading, byline, bold print, headline, photograph, caption, graph, map or table. See, no need to by heart all these things. It is just for you to understand how to read a news report. It is very important. You have to go through the newspapers. So you have to write a news article on your own. Then only you will be able to improve. And it is a must. They say that it's a must. You should have an English newspaper to write a news report. So if you read a Tamil newspaper and then write a news report in Tamil, that is not going to help you improve your language. So it is a must. You should read English newspaper and then find out this. What is the subheading? Take an article and find out all these text features. We will go through what are the text features quickly now. See, there is a rainfall in India in 2019 they have given, and in this topic they have given all those things and they are telling what is the first one, rainfall in India. That is a headline. Okay, headline should be catchy, attractive, then only people will read it. It is not like a sentence. It should be a caption like. Next is the byline. Byline tells you who is the reporter. That is the person who writes this article. By Arshad Khan, author. Yes. Next is subheading. After that you have the states with extreme rainfall. That is a subheading. And then bold print. Some letters are printed in bold. Why they are printed in bold? Because they are important. They give you the importance of those. The places, extreme rainfall, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab. So just by reading the bold lines, you will be able to understand what this text is about. And next one is they have given graph. What is the use of this graph? A graph, map or table presents key points. So first what you have to look at, that we have given an idea now. First you have to go through all these text features one by one. Subheading, subline, then photograph. Photograph will tell you exactly about the event or topic, the news report. Then under the photograph you have caption. It will explain you about the photograph. So see here, headline states that title of the news report article. Bold print shows an important words. Graph, map or table represents key points visually. Some people have visually learning capacity. So caption explains what the photograph illustration about. Then photograph clicked. Photographers show the actual event or topic covered in the news report. Supports the headline. Heading supports the headline. Headline kide subheading. Supports the headline or gives additional information. Then byline is the states the name of the writer. Byline states the name of, very simple, headline. Next is byline. After that subheading. Then you have some bold prints. Then photographs, graph, map or table, caption. So instead of reading the full passage, just by seeing these text pictures, you will be able to find out bold print, then the photograph, caption, all these things. If you see itself, you will be able to understand what this text is about and no need to write the whole page, right? So easily you can read a news report, children. So please go through newspapers, any one paper you take, and then find out all these things for a particular news article. Next you should be able to write that will be learning next how to write, and you also are going to become journalists. Okay, journalists or reporters. You I think you are sure, I am sure you know who is a journalist or reporter who go and interview some person and find out information about them and give the information to the newspapers to print. Okay, that is a very important role. Even in the time of the cyclone, many people are outside and collecting information for you to put it in the newspapers and TV channels. Okay children, thank you. The next video will be on grammar part tenses.